So, Pawan, as I see your resume, okay,
Okay.
you're a fresher, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, first of all, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nagapavan. I am from Darsi, Andhra Pradesh. I had my Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical from Godlavaleru Engineering College, Godlavaleru in the year 2023. I have done my final year project on investigation of mechanical properties of flaxen and hemp fibers. After that, I came to Bangalore and I have learned a course software testing, and I have improved my skills. I have learned core Java, manual testing, and automation testing. And coming to my strengths, I am a quick learner and a hardworking person. That is all about myself, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. So, we'll start basically from manual testing. Okay, fine. So, could you tell me about what is a bug?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Bug, bug means bug is called by the developers in code place. If you did any mistake, it is also called bug, sir.
Yeah, okay,
In the
fine.
in the place of code, if you did any mistake, that is bug.
Okay, so single word, if you ask any interview question, so you can say a simple word line. So bug is a deviation from requirement. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so can you tell me what is the difference between bug and defect, or both are same?
Both are same, sir, but bug is called by developers, defect is called by testing.
Okay, fine, fine. And next question: what you know about the SDLC, software development life cycle?
SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. It is the step-by-step procedure to develop the software. Yeah,
Yeah, tell me the
to develop the
process.
software. Yes, sir. In that, there are seven phases. First phase is requirement collection. Second phase is feasible to study. Third phase is design. Fourth phase is testing. Fifth phase is installation and maintenance, sir. And in
Okay,
requirement collection, business analyst will go to the client place and collect the requirement and convert to CRS and SRF documents. And after that, they will after that feasible. Next is feasibility study. In feasibility study, we will check as we have requirements or not, like finance and lab estimates are there or not. And after that design, in that design, we will convert it to image diagrammatic format by seeing that developers will write the code. After developers develop the code, test engineers will
okay,
test that. After that, installation engineers will install the software in client place. Next maintenance will engineers will come in that place. Maintenance is done between the client and company. Some warranty period is there, sir.
okay,
That
fine,
is all
fine.
of the STLC. Thank you.
Yeah, fine, good. So, how could you justify or how could you differentiate between product and project?
Product project. I don't know, sir.
So, Pawan, just relax, right? So, think for a two. You can take a 1 to 2 seconds for thinking what is the project. You are going to say like I'm working with the project product based company. You are working with the
Project.
project company.
That
That
is
is how can I just how could you justify? What is the how can you just take an idea?
mm, product means in some product based companies like
Okay, fine. So
Cognizant.
product, yeah, product based manji means there has a one product and it's developed by the requirement net market requirement, right? And
Hmm.
project means suppose any company, it's depends on the company requirement. Simple one, right?
Okay, sir.
So okay, fine. That's done from my end. And Mr. Om is with us. He's also working as a software test engineer, and he will be conducting next your
Okay, sir.
remaining interview. So Om, you can continue.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so hi, Pawan. So how are you,
Fine.
basically? Okay, okay, okay. Hopes like you have been settled down for the interview, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we can continue for the same. So like I will proceed first with the manual part, right? So can you tell me what is bug life cycle?
Yes, sir. Once the bug
Yeah.
is identified by the test engineer, it is in open state. Once the bug is fixed by the developers, it is in closed state. Once the bug is raised again, that is in reopen state, sir.
Okay, and there are some more states are you are missing. Can you recall again? One main thing you are what we can say like you are missing in bug life cycle.
Bug life cycle, we can.
Okay, so I can tell the same. So basically there is also one stage you have missed is deferred stage, what we can say, right? So what is deferred stage? Can you tell me what is deferred stage like? You have any idea?
No, sir, I did not have.
Okay, so whenever in any particular sprint, when we are not able to resolve that bug, we are transfer it to the next sprint, right? So that is nothing but it's called as an the deferred stage, right? And again, one stage you have missed is like reject stage. Let's say we as a tester we also have some retention rate, right? Retention rate in the sense which we called as an the invalid bug. It directly goes in the reject stage, right? So, okay. So, can you tell me what is defect removal efficiency? DRE?
What's that here?
DRE, defect removal efficiency.
Sir, not here.
You can try to recollect once. You have any idea like what is the ideal DRE for the as a QA?
No, sir, I did not hear.
Okay, so I can tell you can also note this one because this is also one of the important question which is asked in interview. So basically, DRE is nothing but defect removal efficiency. It should be ideal. It should be less than one, right? So it should be less than one. What we can say, an average QA, right? We can say it's up to 0.86 to 0.87 as per my logic,
Boundary
right?
value analysis,
And
sir.
no. Boundary value analysis is somewhat different thing. I'm talking about DRE, defect removal efficiency,
Yes.
right? Total number of bugs found on the total number of the actual line of code, what we can say, right? That is nothing but we called as an the DRE, right? So can you tell me what is BVA?
Yes, sir. BVA stands for boundary value analysis. It is a design technique to write the test cases. Boundary value
Okay,
analysis starts from boundary values. After that, we can consider as nominal values.
okay,
As if you take as 1 to 500 as a number, then the maximum minimum values for 1 and 500, for 1 is minus 1 and 2 maximum minimum
okay,
for 500 is minimum is 499, maximum is 501, like that we can test take
501.
in middle any number and we can take
Right.
and test, that is called boundary value
Okay.
analysis.
Okay. So what is ECP?
ECP is equivalent partitioning, class partitioning.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
It is also design technique to write the test cases.
Mm-hmm.
In that we will write test cases. If you take 1 to 100, 1 to 100, in that we can't check all the uh, we can't check all. Then we divided into two pieces, divided into some steps like 1 to 10.
What steps, like what steps? In steps, we
uh,
basically covers into the BVA, sorry, in boundary value analysis. In ECP, which steps you are considering?
not test cases only we are dividing and
You are missing core part.
uh,
If you don't know, you can tell, like that's not an issue.
okay.
Okay, so basically in equivalent class partition, what we usually use to test and the input with the different data types, right? So that is nothing but what we can say is a equivalence class partition, only a single liner answer, rather than go in depth and try to explain the things, right? Can you tell me what is priority?
Yes, sir. Priority means urgency of the fault, sir. It is
Urgency, urgency of the
urgency to fix the fault, sir.
fix the fault.
Hmm.
Okay, and then what is severity?
Severity means impact of bug, sir.
On what?
Impact,
Whether on business or on function, on what?
impact of bug any test on unusual
But
but
on what? You are saying it right. Impact on bug means on what? On which? On functionality or on business?
on functionality.
On functionality, on functionality or on business? Try to be on one page only.
Functionalities.
Right. So on severity, what we can say is affecting to functionality. On priority, we are saying like affecting to the business. Like right. Can you give me one example of high priority and high severity?
High priority and high severity. No,
Can you give me one example of high priority and high severity?
no, I did not have ideas.
Okay, so basically in high priority and high severity, what we can say, it is a case or the scenario we can say, right? Which having the impact on the business as well and on functionality as well.
Hmm.
Let's suppose if the logo of the company might got changed, right? So it has impact on the business as well, right? And due to that logo has got changed, right? So we can also not divert, and another thing what we can say, there is some minor mistake in the URL, what we can say, right? So it has the impact on the functionality as well, right? So try to prepare the examples for the high priority, high severity, low priority, low severity,
Okay, sir.
right? So this is also one of the important question what we can say,
Okay.
like, right? Okay, so can you tell me about STLC, software testing life cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
STLC stands for Software Testing Lifecycle. It is a step-by-step procedure to test the software. In that, the first phase is requirement study, and the second phase is test planning. Third phase is test case, and fourth,
Okay, can you share your screen, please?
yes, sir.
I guess you are seeing in on the screen if I'm not wrong.
No, sir.
Just share your screen.
Sharing.
Be quick. Okay. Then now answer it. Try to open in one new tab and as well as open notepad as well.
Notepad, sir.
Yeah, notepad.
Oh shit. Hope लगता है.
Okay. Now give answer. Just tell me the steps.
Yes. Requirement study, test planning. Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. You are audible. You are audible.
Requirement study, test planning, test cases, traceability matrix, test execution, defect tracking, and prepare test on execute report, sir.
So basically it should be likewise. First one is requirement analysis, right? After that we have the test plan,
Test
then
plan.
we have test scenario,
Test.
then test case design, test case execution, then after that we have and the defect raising and defect closing. Short but simple, like, right? Okay, so write the test cases, what we can say, write the negative test cases on the Google Meet.
Google Meet, sir.
Yeah,
Negative test cases.
negative test cases on the Google Meet. Right, as much as you can, like. See, now, see, you have, so this is not the right way to return the, means, this is not a correct way to write the test cases,
Yes.
basically, right?
Yes.
You should always start with the to verify that,
To
right? You should always start with the to verify that, okay?
okay.
And you have written, so basically I'm not getting what you have written in Google Meet. We cannot disturb a screenplay, and while what is this, by Google Meet we can draw any writing while anything is going on. See, the thing, see, the your test cases should be as neat as tidy, what we can say, as neat as, okay, means anyone can read very easily, basically, right? By seeing your test case only, he or she just used to know that, like, yeah, what you want to express yourself, right? So basically if anyone asks you, write the test cases on the negative test cases on Google Meet. First of all, I will tell 2 to 3 test case, what we can say, like, to verify that the if any user click on that particular join link meeting, means when any particular user click on the link to join the meeting, he or she only able to join only one single time, right? This is one of the case. Okay, second one, to verify that the, let's suppose, if any particular user, if Pawan is typing on the notepad, okay, then
Mm.
if that message, if that after typing that message, no other user should have, what we can say, like,
Right.
contradict or do not get merged with the Pawan's writing, what exactly Pawan is typing, right? So or we can say is like, after Pawan has typed the message in the chat box, it should not get mixed with the another user's chat. Okay,
Yes. Okay. Sir.
are you getting my point?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and third one, what we can say is like, let's suppose if you raise the single hand on the Google Meet, okay, if you raise any single hand on the Google Meet, then the hand should only get raised, rather than any another emoji should come on screen or the impacted on screen, right? This is all such, what we can say, the negative test cases for the same. If I told you to write the positive scenarios, you can write n number of scenarios, means what we can say is as in the happy path, okay? But you should try to focus on, what we can say, to write the test cases. This is my suggestion for you, okay?
Okay.
And try to write in neat and tidy way, and try to use as much as good grammar in your test case for the same, right? Okay, so can you tell me the what are the different types of the functional testing?
Functional testing. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Positive testing. Functional testing. It is a type of black box testing, sir. In
Okay,
functional testing, we check.
tell, okay, tell me functional, what is functional testing and its types, simple, we can keep it simple. Yeah, yes.
Function in functional testing, we check each and every components.
Okay, what is functional testing and tell me its type? Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Functional,
tell me what is functional testing and its type.
functional testing.
Yeah.
Functional testing is a black box testing, sir. In functional testing, we will check each and every components of the software. In functional testing, there are positive testing and negative testing, sir. If you take an example of email, they, we will enter the username fields 6 to 16 characters, sir. And after that, in password field,
Okay.
6 to 10 characters we will enter, sir. That that we are
Okay.
giving.
So tell me its type, functional testing type.
Functional, yeah, positive testing and negative testing will be there, sir.
No, no, functional testing. What is functional testing types? I am saying.
Functional testing types like unit test.
Any idea?
No, sir, low
Okay.
performance load test.
No, no, that is somewhat different thing. See,
Yes.
what we can say for the functional testing. Functional testing is nothing but we usually use to test the core integral part of the functionality of the application, right? That is nothing but is called as functional testing. If someone asks you, right, so what are the types of the functional testing? So you able to tell. So there, it has I guess 6 to 7 types are there. Usually used to tell behavioral coverage testing, input domain based coverage testing, calculation based coverage testing, backend coverage testing, service level based coverage testing, and by service level based and calculation based coverage testing. This what we can say these are the main integral type of the uh, functional testing.
Okay.
Like right. So can you tell me what is non-functional testing?
Non-functional testing is negative testing, sir. We will perform negative inputs. By doing negative inputs, we will do is called non-functional testing.
Okay, you know its type, non-functional testing.
Functional testing types, no, sir.
Anything you recollecting?
Like
Anything you remember? Yeah.
non-functional testing, it comes smoke testing, smoke not monkey testing. It will come under
It comes
non-functional testing.
under it comes under testing terminology,
Testing term.
right?
Okay.
It comes under testing terminology. See, if anyone asks you like what is non-functional testing, so non-functional testing is nothing but what we can say we usually use to test the external feature of the application, right? So that is nothing but we can say as indeed non-functional testing for the same. Okay, so as you have opened in new tab, can you go on the flipkart.com?
Flipkart.
Just enter www.flipkart.com.
Okay.
Okay, go on logging or in anything. Yeah, you can go on logging or something.
Shall I log in
Okay,
as?
okay. Just wait. I guess. Okay. So just give me the XPath for the this request OTP.
Expert.
Yes. Request OTP. Request OTP. What I'm saying.
Request OTP. Okay, sir.
Okay. No, no. I don't want that copy XPath. I want the proper XPath.
Okay.
In your company, you are not able to take like just go and copy, just copy full expert. That is not allowed.
Okay, sir.
Give me the expert for the request OTP.
So I did not know, sir. I don't know, sir.
Okay, so basically, this is very basic part of the Selenium and automation testing. As you have told in your introduction, like you have good knowledge of automation, right? So try to prepare for expert as well. I will tell you how to find it. Okay,
Okay.
you can just scroll little bit. What we can say that you have side nav bar, right? Just scroll aside. Just scroll aside. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, just do one thing. Just unshare your screen. I will be sharing the screen.
Okay, sir.
Stop sharing.
Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Visible,
Yes,
sir.
bro.
Okay. So what I am asking to find the expert for this, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just telling the simplest way. Just go over here, inspect it, right? So what I'm saying, your developer tool is this too much big. So what I'm saying, just try to minimize the size of this. And
Uh,
now you have get. Okay.
okay.
So by doing Control F, do Control F for the same. Use this icon, select an element of the page. Okay, just go over here. Okay, so you have to use double slash, tag name of this is and the button. Okay, tag name is button. Okay, you have to use, see now it has been get highlighted, but it is one of two. We want one of matching. Okay, so we have to use is at the text equal to, within the quotation we have to write is and the request for the
OTP.
request OTP, and we have to put in this. Okay, now you have find one of one matching,
Yes.
right? I am asking you this expert, and please try to prepare this expert, right? So this is one of the important question and very basic question for the automation testing point of view. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'm done with you. So like for feedback, I will for feedback, Pradip sir, you can give your feedback.
No, you can continue. After that, I'll tell you.
Okay. So basically, Pawan, for the feedback, you should have to extremely work on your writing the test cases, right?
Yes.
So any in any of the interview, you will able to means if you go in any interview, so any interviewer will ask you to write the negative test cases only. Basically, for positive one, they know like we able to think positive test cases as many as can, right? But for negative test cases, what we can say, you try to think in a that way, right? So and please try to improve your English and as well as the grammar. That is my one of the don't take it personally, but it
No, sir.
is a need. If you want job, then you have to work for hard for the same,
Okay.
right? And secondly, what we can say, try to be give answer as what we can say in a simple word, and just tell the point for the same. Don't tell them, yeah sir, we have this process and that process. Just don't go too much in
Okay.
depth, right? Just try to explain in point wise, so it will be the easier for you. Okay.
Okay.
And secondly, if anyone tell you to find the expert for the same, please prepare very well for the expert, right?
Okay, sir.
Even though they ask you to write the test scripts as well on the notepad, or they bluntly tell like, yeah Pawan, write the program for Fibonacci series, etc, xyz, and what you have mentioned and what you have told in your what we can say introduction, that plays a very important role, right? You have told I have good knowledge of automation, so I asked you to find the expert for the same, right? So choose the word wisely. That is my suggestion. And resting will tell by the Pradip sir. Like that's it from my end.
Yeah, good one.
Okay.
Okay. Pawan, as the Om sir told you, you are lagging with the communication and something about the confidence also. Okay, so exact answer you are not getting means if you are lagging with the interviewer questions or what I don't know, but you are lagging with some exact answer of the particular questions. So that you need to work on that. And I'm just going through your CV. So try to be fit in one page only. It will be possible, right? So the second page I'm mentioning your personal details and everything will be there only. So try to build the resume in the good manner. Add as much as possible high volume searchable keywords in your resume, and it will be definitely help to shortlist in the ATS. You already heard about ATS, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So and you need to brush up everything. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the interview. Okay, and after some time it will be going live on YouTube, right? So don't bother. This interview is not only for a single person. The interview might help other for other our subscribers. That's why we're going to conduct every day one interview. Okay,
Okay.
and this is not a single interview for you. If you are well prepared, after 15 days you also can reach to us to, sir, please take again interview, and we will again conduct your interview. So
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank
yeah,
you.
Okay.
yeah,
But try to be confident. What I
yes,
can say,
yes,
Okay.
right?
try to be confident.
Right. Okay. So, okay. So
Okay.
Yeah, thank you,
okay.
Pawan, thank
So
you for joining.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Best of luck.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir. Thank you.
yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, bye, Om.